everything is going to be perfect.
Heartstopper is a Netflix series based on the graphic novel and webcomic series of the same name, created by Alice Oseman. It follows the love story of Nick and Charlie, two teenagers who attend the same all-boys school in England. The first season premiered on April 23, 2022 and consisted of 8 episodes. The second season of Heartstopper has been confirmed by Netflix and will be released on August 3, 2023. It will also have 8 episodes, and will be based on the third volume of the graphic novel series. The second season will explore Nick and Charlie's new relationship, as well as the challenges and joys faced by their friends and classmates. The cast of Heartstopper Season 2 will include Kit Connor as Nick, Joe Locke as Charlie, William Gao as Dow, Toby Donovan as Isaac, Corinna Brown as Tara, Kizzy Edgell as Darcy, Sebastian Croft as Ben, Rhea Norwood as Imogen, and Jenny Walzer as Tori. They will be joined by some new faces, such as Fisayo Akinade as Mr. Ajayi, the art teacher, and Yasmin Finney as Elle, a new friend of Charlie. You can watch the official teaser for Heartstopper Season 2 here. 1. You can also read more about the show and its cast here 2 and here 3. If you are interested in watching Heartstopper on Netflix, you might want to check out this offer for a Netflix subscription. You can enjoy unlimited access to thousands of movies and shows, including Heartstopper and other LGBTQ+ stories.